This video will show you 5 Lego hacks that you never know before. Don't use your hand to separate Legos. It will make your hand hurt when trying to separate Legos. You can use brick separator. This tool makes it a snap to pull those small plates apart. When building Lego, don't place it in parallel because it's easily damaged. Build Lego bricks with zigzag techniques will prevent Legos easily damaged. We can use 3 pieces of thin Legos to make 1 Lego brick. We can use 4 classic Legos to make 1 Duplo Lego. Classic Lego can also be placed over in Lego Duplo. We can combine several classic Lego with Duplo blocks because they are compatible. But not all Legos can. You can stack 2x2 and 2x4 classic Lego bricks on top of normal Duplo studs and they fit and hold fine. Thin plates don't have enough depth to take up the taller Duplo stud. Duplo base plates have stud with flat tops. These are incompatible with classic Lego. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, drop your comments, and subscribe our channel.